responding to the ADW. The suspects are walking on Sataquai, passing for a net near an unknown middle school or high school.
LAD, I'm going to be code 6 on the suspects.
Hi, LAD, it's code 6. That's your
Put your hands up, bro! I got suspects running southbound Noble. Gun in his hand, right hand, gun. Drop the gun! Suspect still southbound Noble. Gun in his right hand. And we're gonna be westbound. Stand by for the street. Okay, I'm gonna be westbound. Cabello. Suspect just fell. Stand by. Get on the ground, bro. It's your only chance.
I finally use for pursuit of a possibly heavy suspect. West on Cabello from Noble. Rescue backup area. Near the supervisor, suspect armed with a gun in his right hand.
Still westbound. He's got the gun on his left hand. You gonna do this, bro? You wanna do it? Get on the ground.
On
the ground. Get on the ground. Don't fucking move. Lay in your stomach. Get on your stomach, motherfucker. Hands out to your side.
Good, bro. You don't have to do that. You don't have to do that.
You gonna point that fucking gun at me again?
I did it, bro. I was trying to run.
Finally, your location.
Back against the wall. Oh, it's right there.
Thanks for Joe. We set up a perimeter for technical. 914, Roger. 914, verify the numbers on static point for the.
Oh, it's right there.
Thanks for Joe. We set up a perimeter for technical. 914, Roger.